Hello students, today we are discuss on the analytical subject problems which are asked for compulsory 4 marks in university exam. The problem number first which is based on solvent extraction chapter, and the problem is a metal chelate was extracted to the extent of 60% when equal volume of aqueous and organic phases were shaken together. What will be the percent extracted if the volume of organic phase is triple? Now we have given in this problem percent extracted is equal to 60% and the ratio of the volume of aqueous phase and organic phase is same or equal, and that is 1. Therefore we are use the formula E is equal to 100D divided by D plus the ratio of VA divided by VO. Okay, now here we give the value of VA and VO, that means the ratio of aqueous phase and organic phase, that is 1. But here we do not give the value of D, and D means the distribution ratio. Therefore first of all we find out the value of D. When we put the value of the ratio of the organic phase and aqueous phase, that is 1, then solving all these equations we give the value of D is equal to 1.5. Now the second case is find out the percent extraction when volume of organic phase is triple. Listen carefully. Here organic phase ratio is increased by triple, and we know the value of D also. Here we find out the value of distribution ratio, and the ratio is the ratio of volume of aqueous phase and organic phase is equal to 1/3. Organic phase volume is increased by triple, therefore this value is 1/3. Now put all these values in formula. Percent extraction is equal to 100D divided by D plus VA upon V0 is equal to 100 into 1.5. This is the value of distribution ratio. Once again here distribution ratio 1.5 into the ratio of VA upon VO, that is 1 divided by 3. Then we get the percent extracted is equal to 49.99. Such type of problem are asked for 4 marks. Okay, see you again.